Brandon, I don't think you should be walking around, honey. Honey, here, let mommy help you.
I want to eat.
You can't.
Well, honey.
Go back to mommy.
Well, don't get him crying.
Hold on to the fridge. Don't let go.
Uh-oh.
I said hold on to the fridge.
Oh.
Brandon.
Brandon, are you having a...
He looks like he's special.
I am hungry.
You're hungry? What do you want to eat, honey?
Over here.
Wow, it took you forever to get there. You're like a little drunk man.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, no climbing up on the shelves today, though. Oh, no you don't.